Hi guys. So I've tried to do this live 3 times, but I'm having the MVM put in and it's not working, so I'm having to record it. Okay, so excuse my voice, I'm not very well. So today arrived in the mail is our new Dermaprove skincare. Oh, there's one more. So I'm going to try it live and we're going to see how it goes. Oh, I had them all in order. Now they're not. So let's just put them back in order. 1 minute facelift. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I've already cleansed my skin because that's what it said. So I've already done that. So then it says put your mini facelift on all over your face. So that's this one. So we're just going to grab a little bit of this mini face. Ooh. And oh, it feels nice. I'm putting it all over. Right, wash it off. How cool is that? I didn't speak for a minute. Oh, feels really good actually. Okay, done. Okay, so then, now that I've done that, the next step is the wrinkle eliminator. So this wrinkle eliminator you put where you have wrinkles, which pretty much is all over me. So I'd love to swim in it. Well, it's a good idea when you do these lives to take these little things off before you start. I took one off, I didn't take this one off. And let's just prick it because I cannot get it off. Oh. Ah, that's tough. Okay, so, and this is in a padding motion. So we'll put some here and here and here. I think I'm doing this right. It's very hard in the camera. Right, and we've done that. Then we have to put on our wrinkle serum, and you have to avoid the areas that you just put the wrinkle eliminator on. Comes in this gorgeous little tube. So just put a tiny dab. Okay, and then when I've done that, I then put on my daytime cream. We also have nighttime cream, but this is the daytime one. Once again, make sure you take the lids off. Ooh. This goes over where you put the serum, but not where you put the wrinkle eliminator. Oh, I don't feel too bad actually. Okay, so now it feels really good actually. It's really hard to see in here. I'll take some photos and see the difference.